Then comes the second semester. Abhi first semester mein, let's assume that you've got an on-campus job, or you did not get an on-campus job. It does not matter. Okay, but let's say that you complete your first semester, you move to second semester. Now the second semester you have to find a co-op or an internship. Let me tell you, finding a co-op or an internship is so tough. It is so tough. It is very मतलब draining, एकदम mental energy drain करने वाला period होता है ये second semester. So what happens is everyone around you who is in the same semester is looking for a co-op or an internship, and everyone knows what to do. मतलब the university gives you all the resources. You have the resume format. You know where to apply, which websites to use, and because of people like me, everyone already knows कि cold email करना है, ये करना है, वो करना है. So सब लोग सारी चीजें कर रहे हैं. So it's like you are competing with everyone to get that internship. And also undergrad students are also fighting for that internship. So there's a lot of competition. And I don't think I need to tell you this, but आजकल this is kind of a trend कि बहुत सारे Indian students आ रहे हैं, like they are trying to study abroad. So you are competing with a lot of people when you try to find an internship. And जिसको internship मिला है, you will go and ask him कि तुमको कैसे मिला भाई, तुमने क्या किया, और वो लोग तुमको बताते कि ये यूज करो, ये यूज करो. बट बिलीव मी, it sometimes you kind of feel like you're doing everything, but you're not able to land an interview, or you're not able to land a co-op. And I know so many people who were equally hardworking, who had the same skills, who had the same what I'm saying, like resume format, but they were still not able to get interviews. So that really happens, and I really don't know, मतलब like मुझे पता नहीं कि कैसे होता है कि किसी लोगों को इंटरव्यू आता है, कभी कभी किसको नहीं आता है, even though the resumes all are almost the same. So I don't know that, but ये ऐसे होता रहता है कि मतलब you get very stressed and you have a lot of anxiety, and if someone around you is getting an internship तो तुमको ऐसे लगने लगता है कि भाई मेरे को क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है, am I doing something wrong, what is wrong with my resume, why am I not getting it. And you also, like when you're talking to your parents, मतलब you obviously describe the situation, right, कि I'm trying to look for an internship, मेरे को इंटरव्यू नहीं आ रहा है. तो वो लोग भी पूछते रहते हैं कि बेटा क्या हुआ, इंटरव्यू नहीं आ रहा है क्या, इंटर्नशिप नहीं आ रहा है क्या, व्हाट इफ यू ट्राई दिस, व्हाट इफ यू ट्राई दैट, आई नो दिस गाय, मे बी यू कैन टॉक टू हिम. तो दिन भर तुम लोग दोस्तों के साथ भी वही बातें करते हो, फिर तुम लोग पेरेंट्स को कॉल करते हो, वो लोग भी तुमको वही चीजें पूछते हैं, तो तुम लोग वो लूप में स्टक हो जाते हो, एंड इट फील्स रियली स्ट्रेसफुल. और at least for people like me who had the goal of getting a job or an internship over here, it's it feels very depressing जब तुमको नहीं मिलता, because तुमको ऐसे लगता है कि what will I do if I don't get this internship? What am I going to do? Like, will I even get a full-time job? Because in full-time job they will ask for internship experience, right? So if you don't have an internship, then what are you going to do? So all of these thoughts go are like running in your mind. And you also know that if you get an internship, so it will be a little bit easier for next semester, because you can use that money to fund your next semester or fund the living expenses for next semester. So that is another stress that's going on in your mind. And um, yeah, I don't know how to experience it, but I have made another video talking about my co-op experience. You can go through that. But this is a big stress that you will experience when you come here in semester 2, and people say it's easy. Like, you will only see videos of people who have got their internship, right? मतलब जैसे कि अगर मुझे internship मिलेगा तो ही मैं जाके वीडियो बनाऊंगी कि how to get an internship, do this, do that. But let's say if I did not get an internship, will I come and make a video talking about my sob story? No, I'm not going to do that. So there are a lot of students who have struggled and who have not got an internship, but you don't know that. You only see the people who have got the internship, who have got the co-op, or who have received replies and everything. So I'm not saying कि नहीं मिलेगा, तुमको मिल सकता है या नहीं मिल सकता है. I'm thinking you have to be prepared for that. Okay, so there can be two situations. In second semester, you get the co-op or you don't get the co-op, and you have to be prepared for that situation, and you have to be prepared for that anxiety, for the stress that you go through. You have to be prepared for paying your next semester fees from your savings or your education loan. Okay, this is about the semester number 2. तो अभी I think बहुत ज़्यादा negative talk हो गया. Let's talk about some positive things. So first year में बहुत सारी positive चीजें होती है. Like when you are moving over here, तुम लोगों को पता है कि तुम्हारा इधर कोई भी नहीं है. I mean, yeah, some people might have relatives, but at least in my case, I did not have any relatives. And yes, you will have friends, you will have like some people that you will meet along the way, but it's not, they're not your parents, or they're not someone that you can just go to when something goes wrong, right? They're not going to be available for you 24/7. So you're all on your own and you're doing everything on your own. And when you do all of these things, it feels amazing. Even small things like, like driving first time in the United States, feels amazing. I'm telling you, it feels so good. Driving first time, or just, like getting that first on campus job, or getting your first pay, or making a new friend over here who you can talk to. Everything just feels really amazing and it boosts your confidence day by day. जैसे कि मेरे को याद है जब मैं इंडिया में थी तब एक बार ऐसे हुआ था कि I was standing on this traffic signal and some rickshaw wala came and dashed me from behind, and instead of fighting with him I just started crying and I called my dad and I was like, oh my god, this happened, अभी मैं क्या करूँ, ऐसे हो गया था. But when I moved here I knew that I cannot just call my dad if something happens. The one time I went to this, like me and my friends, we were trying to get on the tram and we just got on and we did not pay. So then, and there were three people, okay? There was one girl who was ahead of us and then it was the two of us. But instead of shouting that one girl, she also did not pay. That guy just started shouting on the both of us. And I was so upset. And there were a lot of other things that happened along the way. मतलब जिसमें मेरी गलती है या मेरी गलती नहीं है, that is a different thing. But things happen and you know that you cannot just go back to your home crying, or you know that you cannot call anyone and just start crying about it. You know that you have to take care of yourself. So ये चीजें तुम लोग करते हो, so it just improves your confidence overall and you become a very different person. I like even adjusting with other people. जैसे कि with my roommates, when I moved during the first semester, I used to just hate them because I used to feel like कि ये क्या है, why are they troubling me, blah blah blah, XYZ. But towards the end of the first year, I just realized that they are not bad people. They are just different people, and I'm not compatible with them. I want different things, and they want different things. So we are still good. We all went our own ways. But now when I deal with new roommates or when I find new roommates, I already know that I have to set my boundaries. I know what questions to ask and I get along really well with them. So I learned, I evolved as a person. I also understood कि तुम लोग उठ के किसी को भी कभी भी घर पे नहीं बुला सकते हो. You have to take permissions of your roommate. You cannot just have parties in the night or whatever. So all of these things I learned and I did mistakes, and now I've become a very better version of myself. And just doing like getting an on-campus job. So when you get an on-campus job, उसमें बहुत काम करना पड़ता है, especially if it's not like a desk position. जैसे कि मेरा job था of working in a Delhi. So I was working in the Delhi, and then I used to do everything like cleaning, washing dishes, making sandwiches, and everything. I used to do all of that, and that time I used to feel like, how is this even going to help me in future anytime, right? I don't know if it was going to help me ever, but I feel like that experience has helped me a lot because I met a lot of people during that job. Like everyone who used to work there, I met them. All of my managers, we used to talk to them. I made new friends, and that job gave me the money so that I can travel and see new places. I got my first phone with that money, and also I was paying my rent. So it feels nice and it felt so good. So I would say that the first year over here really changed me as a person. It really grew my confidence and it taught me new things. And I would say that I have become really strong. I don't think if I go back and if someone dashes me, which did happen over here also, and I did not cry. So it's not gonna happen. And I think those are the good things about the first year of moving in the US. I don't know why I'm really crying thinking about it. But yeah, so that was all. And now let's move to the next phase, which is, let's say there can be two situations, like you get a co-op or you don't get a co-op, and we will talk about both of those situations of your year two in the US. So first year is really amazing. It's a mix of everything. I already talk about it, मेरे को फिर से repeat नहीं करना. और फिर next जो है next year वाला चीजें वो अपन next video में बात करेंगे. Okay? And yeah, I'm trying my best to keep talking in English, but I'm so sorry, मेरा हिंदी बीच बीच में आ जाता है. So for people who don't understand Hindi, I am trying my best to keep continuing in English. Okay, so stay tuned for next video. In the next video, we are going to talk about your year 2 in the US. I hope you have liked this video and just keep suggesting topics. Also, I have two Instagram accounts. One Instagram account which you might already be following, and if not, then please जाके follow कर दो. उसपे I talk about all education content, just my life and abroad and everything. I give suggestions and I tell you about things that you need to do, the things that you don't need to do. Then there's another Instagram account where I'm going to post everything related to travel, fashion, lifestyle because I really love that. I love traveling. I love wearing nice clothes. So I'm going to talk about all of that in the next video. The reason why I made two accounts is because if you're someone who's just interested in education content, then you can follow this account. If you're interested in everything that's happening in my life, then you can follow that account as well. I really expect a lot of support from you guys. Okay, bye bye. See you.